Welcome to the Rego Fabrication Install Series. Today I'm going to show you how to install our bed rail MaxTrax holders. Let me tell you about these holders. This is a two-piece design where this attaches to the bed rail, and then this is adjustable from up and down movement. We did this because all wheel wells are not the same and all truck bed heights are completely different. Now between the Toyota and Tacoma, they both have a bed rail system. And on the Tacoma, the MaxTrax will sit a little bit higher than the Tundra just because of the height of the bed. But you can also have the option to mount it to the back of the cab right here in the bed, which there's no impingement and should fit just fine. To install these, you simply need a 14mm wrench and use the supplied bolts and the T-nuts that come in our kit. All you have to do is remove this plastic piece and then slide the T-nuts all the way down. As you can see, we've already done that because we have our bed rack, so we had to do that ahead of time. And all you have to do is line up the bolt holes, just like many of our other products. Just thread them in. Find the other one there. Snug it down. And before you tighten it up, what you want to do is check the holes here with your MaxTrax. The cool thing about our mounts is you don't need the full rail system and to utilize the whole rail just to mount these, because these are pretty long. As you can see, we have our bed rack here. So one mount is going to go in here and the other mount's going to go where these finger holes are, and it secures it fairly well. So we're going to mount it here, and you can adjust it where you want. If you want it more to the left or to the front or wherever you want it, it's fine. This is fairly snug, and as you can see, all we have to do is turn it up into these finger holes and mount the back like normal, and go ahead and tighten up the bolts in the back. Those are tight. These are tight. Now it's tight. As you can see, it's not going anywhere, you know? They are not going to fall off. So this concludes the install video of our Tacoma and Tundra bed rail MaxTrax holders. They are available at regofabrication.com. They will be powder coated black. We don't have them black in this video, simply the fact you wouldn't be able to see them very well. So look for them on our website fairly soon, and have a good afternoon.